Family and Marital Counseling, Unit 3, Family Classification, Minukin Classification, Olson Classification. The Olson circumplex model of family focuses on the three central dimensions of couple and family systems: cohesion, flexibility, and communication. The main hypothesis of the Olson circumplex model is that balanced couple and family systems tend to be more functional compared to unbalanced systems. The circular model of couple and family systems bridges gaps between research, theory, and practice. The Olson circumplex model aids relational diagnosis by focusing on the system and integrating three key dimensions vital in family theory and therapy. It's crafted for clinical assessment, treatment planning, and evaluating therapy outcomes. Cohesion. The Olson circumplex model is a relational diagnosis by focusing on the system and integrates three dimensions in family theories and therapies. It's for assessing, planning, and evaluating therapy outcomes. Its three dimensions are cohesion, flexibility, and communication. Some concepts, like power and roles, are decades old, while others were developed by therapists observing families from a systems perspective. Treatment planning and therapy outcomes in couple and family contexts focus on cohesion, flexibility, and communication, key dimensions in the Olson circumplex model. These dimensions stem from over 50 concepts describing family dynamics. While some concepts like power and roles are long-standing, many are developed by therapists observing families from a systems perspective. Other family models also focus on cohesion, flexibility, and communication. The Olson circumplex model illustrates these components. Some concepts, like power and roles, have been used for decades, while others were developed by family therapists, observing families from a systems perspective. Various family models focus on cohesion, flexibility, and communication. The Olson family model, or Olson circumplex model, includes these dimensions. Family and marital flexibility involves changes in leadership, roles, and rules, including leadership, control, discipline, negotiation styles, and relationship rules. A variety of other family models have independently focused on variables related to the dimensions of cohesion, flexibility, and communication. An illustrative diagram of the components of the Olson family model. The Olson circumplex model of family includes cohesion, flexibility, and communication. Family and marital flexibility refers to the amount of change in leadership, role relationships, and relationship rules. It includes specific concepts such as leadership, control, discipline, and negotiation styles, as well as role relationships and relationship rules. The focus of flexibility is on how systems balance between stability and change. The four levels of flexibility range from rigid, which is very low, to structured, which is low to moderate, to flexible, which is moderate to high, and finally to chaotic, which is very high. Just like with cohesion, it is assumed that the central or balanced levels of flexibility, structured and flexible, are more conducive to good couple and family functioning, while the extreme levels of rigidity and chaos are the most problematic for families as they navigate through their life cycle. Central or balanced, organized, and flexible levels of flexibility are assumed to be most conducive to good marital and family functioning, while extreme, rigid and chaotic levels are most problematic for families as they move through their life cycle. Family and marital communication is the third dimension in the Olson circumplex model, and it is considered a facilitating dimension. Communication is extremely important for easing movement along the other two dimensions. Since it is a facilitating dimension, communication is not included in the graphical representation of the model. Alongside cohesion and flexibility, communication between couples and families is measured by focusing on the family as a group in relation to listening skills, speaking skills, self-disclosure, clarity, continuity, respect, and appreciation. In terms of listening skills, the focus is on empathy and attentive listening, while speaking skills include self-expression and not speaking on behalf of others.